This is a great way to commemorate our veterans. 2 days ago, I had the pleasure of documenting this crosswalk being painted. I only did stills though. It's right in here. You can see our cenotaph to the right. Anyhow, I never did make a video. I only shot stills. And again, what a great way to commemorate our veterans. Now, this is how quick our town got onto this concept. Residents sent in pictures from Hamilton who had done it last week. Town approved it, administration approved it, and within a week this was painted, like I said, 2 days ago. Now I don't know if the UK and US is doing this, and this is our cenotaph, not 30 feet away from the crosswalk. You know, if the US and UK, other cities aren't doing this, what a great initiative to get behind. And like I said, honor our veterans. Our little town got on this right away. It took them within a week we had this done. So this is residents and town governments working together. And again, so this year we always have a great turnout for Remembrance Day. What a great initiative to get behind for other cities and towns, and this will go viral, possibly global. Anyways, well done, Cochrane. Well done indeed. Well done, Hamilton, for starting this. Hamilton, Ontario, that is. Anyway, yeah, check it out, folks. If you're not doing it in your city or town, hit up your administration, see what they can do. This is a great initiative for any town or community to get behind, and hopefully every town and community will do this. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye for now.